Hello guys, welcome to my Python tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing about dictionary comprehension, looping techniques for dictionary, enumerate, zip and sorted function. First of all, we have dictionary comprehension. We have already discussed about list comprehension. So without any delay, let me begin with dictionary comprehension. It's a simpler way to create dictionary. As shown, I extract the dictionary keys from dictionary D and create a new dictionary whose keys are same as D, but the values are square of D dot keys. We have discussed about D dot keys, D dot values, D dot items and so on in our previous video. Check that out if you're unsure. And now using D dot items in for loop, we loop through the key value pair. Below is the enumerate function whose syntax is enumerate of iterable, start equals 0. It returns an enumerate object. Iterable must be sequence. The iterator returned by enumerate is a tuple containing a count from start which defaults to 0 and the values obtained from iterating over iterable. We have implemented it for a list, tuple and set with different start values. We are required to typecast the enumerate object before printing. Now we have seen how enumerate function works, which is followed by the zip function, whose syntax is zip of iterables, creates an iterator that aggregates element from each of the iterable. It returns an iterator of tuple where the ith tuple contains the ith element from each of the argument sequence or iterable. The iterator stops when the shortest input iterable is exhausted. As shown, it creates a tuple which contains 0, 2 and 1, 3. It stops there as there are no more elements in list 1. Z1 is an instance for which a single iterable argument is given. It returns an iterator of 1 tuples. With no argument, it returns an empty iterator. Zip in conjunction with the star operator can be used to unzip a list as demonstrated, and the other two functions are reversed and sorted. We have implemented them in detail in list function 4. And finally, we combine the set and sorted to loop through unique elements in a sequence and in a sorted manner. So that's all about dictionary comprehension. See you guys on my next video. Thank you.